Hi everybody, it's Bill Jenkins here at SkipperBud's in Lake Geneva. I'm going to take you around the Barletta Cabrio 22UC today. This particular boat, you can see, is what they call their white with black rails, or blackout package on the rails. We have some tune protection down here. We come up along the edge here and see that we have flip-outs for our buoys. Folding cleats, dock lights, and this boat is a Tri-Toon. It's got 3 logs instead of 2. Definitely help with some stability and steering capability. Go around the other side, again, our folding cleat. On this side we have an entry door for those folks entering off the dock this way. There's a door in the front and another door in the back. Barletta is famous for their quality construction. They're also famous for this, which is their doggy door. So for all you pet lovers out there, this is the way for Fido to be able to kind of see the action, see what's going on, instead of being stuck behind a panel like this. As we come along the back, again, this is our gigantic bimini top. This is all powered from the captain's helm, and I'll show you that when we go up inside the boat. You come around the back, you see that we have a ski pylon that we're going to be able to pull skier or tuber with, and a Mercury 154 stroke is what powers this boat. To come around to the other side, we have a stainless steel telescoping ladder. Handles that make it easier for people, older folks especially, to get out of the water. This boat does come with a stainless steel prop on that 150. I'm going to go ahead, I'll take you up inside the boat and show you some of the features in there. Hey, welcome aboard. We're back on the Barletta Cabrio 22UC. What does UC stand for? Well, the C is definitely for couch. In this boat we have 2 couches. You'll see here each one of these couch sections has plenty of storage underneath them, and this is on both sides. A beautiful finish with a nice inlay here, nice to the touch. Armrests in true Barletta style. Some speakers. These are floor lights that are in here. There are charging stations in here. We didn't miss much. Our cup holders, the ever famous Barletta doggy dishes. So not only can you bring your pet on here, you can put their food and water in there too, and then tuck that away when you're underway. This is our captain's helm. This is what's called a dual helm. So not only a captain's chair, but also a co-captain's chair, if you will. The dash is very easy to read. It does have a digital readout within the tachometer. That will be able to tell you things about depth, temperature, things of that nature. Then you can go a step further and use the built-in Lowrance system that is in this boat. This is going to allow you to chart and plot and obviously see quite a bit of what's going on in the water beneath you. Also on that panel, you'll see here that we do have kind of a phone holder here. This is our stereo head unit. So from this unit here, you can basically control all of the speakers in the boat. We also have a throttle system on this side, and that does have trim, automatic electric trim, and the power bimini top, which is just below our shifting lever. And we can put that top up and down as long as the boat is not underway. Because this boat is a Tri-Toon, we pick up Tri-Toon storage in it. You can see the size of what's in here right now, and really how large this is, and what actually fits down in there still with room. So your skis, your life jackets, ropes, whatever it might be. Our second chair, again, both of these chairs swivel, both of these chairs recline, so if you want to turn around and talk to the folks on the couch back here, you can do that. I'll also mention on here that we talked about the doggy door. One of the other things that we have in the boat is the ability to have kind of a fold down table here. So if someone's sitting here, this is great for working on your computer. These legs are adjustable up and down, so if you need to do some work while you're sitting out here, that can get accomplished. We move towards the back of the boat. These couches are very similar to the ones in the front. We have all of our storage. We even have storage behind our seats. Great place to put a garbage can, those things that you don't want stinking up the boat. This boat does have a battery switch, so as long as this is turned off, you'll never have to worry about leaving the keys on in the boat and coming back to a dead battery. Our last door to get out to the back, we probably even thought of the little things to stop the door instead of that thing hitting you in the leg all the time. Again, we have plenty of room back here. If the kids want to be able to jump off the boat, jump in the water, they can do that. We have real nice seating for people to be able to sit there and watch. Telescoping ladder that lets people of any age get up and out of the water. Powerful Merc 150 4-stroke. This is a pretty complete boat, folks. I'll tell you what, we're out here at SkipperBud's in Lake Geneva. We'd love to have you come out and take a look at this or some of our other pontoons that we have here. Give a call, ask for Bill or Zach. Thanks.